Welcome to cPanel User Interface tutorial. In this video, we will walk you through the basics of the cPanel control panel, which is a powerful tool for managing your web hosting account. Whether you are a beginner or an experienced user, this tutorial will help you navigate the cPanel interface with ease. First, let's start by logging into cPanel. You should have received your login credentials from your web hosting provider. Enter your username and password and click Login. Once you have successfully logged in, you will land on the cPanel dashboard. This is your control center for managing your web hosting account. On the left, you will see navigation panel which provides quick access to various sections and tools in cPanel. If you need to manage your website files, click on the File Manager. Here you can upload, download, delete, and organize your website files and folders. To set up email accounts, forwarders, and autoresponder, click on the email accounts right from here. If you need to create, manage, or import databases, click on the databases. This is where you can handle your MySQL databases with ease. To enhance your website security, via the security section, here you can set up SSL certificates, configure firewalls, and many other things like mod security, Immunify 360. Applications. Want to install applications like WordPress, Joomla, or Drupal? You can do that in the application section using Softaclous app installer. Settings, preference and settings. You can configure various account related options including preference and notifications, password, language, contact information from this section. This is a brief overview of cPanel user interface. In upcoming videos, we will dive deeper into each section and show you how to perform specific tasks. If you found this tutorial helpful, please give it a thumb up and subscribe for more cPanel tutorials. If you have any questions or need help with specific cPanel tasks, leave a comment below. Thanks for watching and we will see you in the next video.